Hey guys, Technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you have a green screen, whether it's a little bit green, a lot of green, or completely green. You're going to follow these steps to fix your iPhone. Now, if it's a software related issue, this will be fixed. Even some level of hardware issue will be fixed, or at least make your phone better, at least to a usable degree. So let's get started. So whenever you're having this issue, the very first thing is you want to force restart your iPhone. So in order to force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, and then press and release the volume down, and then hold this side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo. At that time, you'll let go of that button, and then you'll be able to get back to your phone. So we'll do volume up or volume down, and then I just hold the side button just like that, and I'm not going to slide to power off. I'm just going to keep on holding it, so it's forcing the phone to completely shut down like it should, and then it will automatically start it with the Apple logo. As I hold this button, I let go of that button, and as you can see here, we're getting back into our phone. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe. You don't have to worry about that. And once you're back on, go ahead and enter your phone's passcode and you're back to on, and hopefully the issue was fixed, and it's as simple as that. Now let's say it's still not fixed, or maybe you're experiencing a little less green on it and you can still see the screen here. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and close out all the apps that you have open on your phone. So you just want to swipe up just like that. You swipe up and close out all the apps just like that. Sometimes all of these apps can interfere with your phone software, so we just simply close them out. The next thing you want to do is go into your settings here, and then go to accessibility here, and then under accessibility here for display and text size, you want to click on that, and then under here there's an option for auto brightness. So auto brightness is nice to have because you adjusts your brightness level, but sometimes the setting can also interfere with the screen's display, causing it to be more green or less of a different color than it should be. Go ahead and turn it off just to see if that makes it better for you. Generally this should be on, but it's a test to see if that helps you. And then after you have done that, what you'll do is go back to your settings again, and this time we'll go to display and brightness, and you'll want to manually adjust the brightness level to see which of the setting if does help your iPhone screen from being maybe less green to less green. And also the other thing to try is this true tone, which allows the phone to basically adapt to its ambient lighting, but again can also interfere with the color consistency of your iPhone. So I recommend turning it off, trying it out, see if that helps, turning it back on with a different combination as well, but sometimes that can help you as well. Now after you have done that and you're still having issues, the next thing to do is reset all of your settings. By in your settings, you go to general, go all the way down here, it says transfer reset iPhone. We're going to click on the first option for reset, and the reset that we're going to do is reset all settings. Now this reset all settings will just simply reset all settings around things like network related settings. If you have saved Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected devices, they will have to get reconnected again. Any custom keyboard, a dictionary will get reset. Home screen layout, so it'll be back to original, and then any location and privacy settings that you have. Now all of these are just settings themselves. This will not delete your personal data, so your photos, videos, apps will still be there. Again, it's something that's necessary if you're having issues, and if you do that, it'll ask you for your passcode here, and we just do that. And as you can see here, we can just simply do that, and after we do that, we'll be back onto a phone and we'll be good to go. Now this is something, it's required, like I said, it won't delete your personal data, but something that you have to try in order to fix your screen if it's really going to impact you from using it. Then after you do that, you want to go back to the other method where I mentioned about adjusting the brightness level. If you're still having issues, maybe it's a little less green, in terms of playing around with auto brightness off and also with true tone off, and then the brightness level setting as well. So you can see here, this method again takes about a moment or so, maybe 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how much setting it has to reset to factory. But again, something that's necessary when it comes to fixing your phone. Now the next thing you want to do is see if you can update your device if it's accessible. You'll go into your settings, go to general, software update, and see if there's an update available. As you can see here, it's not showing an update because I'm not connected to the internet. So you need to connect to your Wi-Fi, and then once you connect to your Wi-Fi, you'll be able to go here to your general software update, and if there's an update available, it'll show there, and you'll go ahead and update it. Now, for some reason, if the screen is so green that you can't do any of this, you can also connect it to your computer using iTunes to do an update there as well. Now that will require you to plug it in, and in that method we have another video which will go walk you through it, as it takes a little bit more effort in terms of updating through iTunes on instead of being able to do it from your settings. Now after you have done that and it's still not working, most likely it's a hardware related issue. In that case, you'll probably have to take it to the Apple technicians where they can take a look at it, and it's probably going to be something around replacing the screen. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful and informational. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.